So as you can see, I have a travel watch roll or watch box and a couple of watches and a couple of strapped options. That means I'm going on another trip, another work trip for a couple of days, and I thought, why not? As this summer I might not be traveling for longer periods of time, why not take a couple of watches with me? Nothing too fancy, nothing too, let's say, fragile, that it would be destroyed in the humid, warm weather, or actually hot, humid weather, tropical weather. So I thought, why not get something with me that will take that and say, no problem. And the start of the trip will be the Tissot. I'm trying to remember if I took it on a trip with me, and I don't remember if I did. So I thought, why not? Since I got it, I didn't have much time to wear it like as a main watch, like I did with other watches. So I thought, why not to take it with me? And the best thing is, I do have some strap options with it, red, white, and black, to switch between them, and they all look really nice. These two will be much better for ventilation on the wrist. Also, if I'm swimming in the pool or something like that, or in the ocean, if time permits, I'll be able also to wear this with no problem at all. The white one might just dress it up a little bit, maybe in the evening, if I want to wear it in the evening time. Powermatic 80, automatic movement, great loom also. Oops. Worst thing to do on a ceramic case is to throw something at it. But yeah, lessons learned. And as you can see again, I don't know if you can catch the loom. I have already a short video loom of the watch. Be sure to check it out. Maybe I'll put it in the description also. And yeah, I think this one will be this go-to watch that I'm wearing the whole time. And I thought in the evening time, if I want to dress up and wear something that looks fancy but isn't actually so fancy, but on the strap it does look quite fancy, I have to say. This AddiesDive Retro Chronograph, excellent watch for the price. The strap makes the watch, of course, look really elegant and really nice. And my trusty travel watch, the Fortis Marinemaster. I thought this would be my wearing on the flight watch. Has the best loom on the table, best loom in my whole collection of full loom dialed. On the NATO strap, it does wear really nice. Actually, I ordered the strap, ready strap like that for this watch in blue, and if it arrives, I will not take the strap, but if it doesn't arrive in time, I will take this paratrooper strap with me, orange and blue line in the middle. It will look, I think, really nice with it, gives it a really summer pop. That's why I got the red and the orange for the summer pop. And I'm taking the Mirage travel box with me. I think they did a great job with this box. I'll show you what I mean. Because you really can secure the watch, and or the two watches in that case, and you can also take some straps with you, which is always an issue with like watch rolls, where you basically put the watch in the roll, facing, of course, outward, and then there is no place for the straps that you want to take. Sorry about that. That took a little bit longer than expected because of the strap system from it. So it's also for security. If you're swimming with it, it's much more secure than traditional straps. I had a couple of straps almost fell on me, and a NATO one's NATO springboard also. So do have my experience with that. So let's see. We can put all of these. They actually all fit. Maybe this one. No, they fit. And I even got the mad one UV light to fill the room of the Tissot or the Fortis when needed. Yeah, I think that would be a good combination for a week of travel. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I've been trying to, all the time I'm trying, every time I'm traveling, I'm trying to take only 2 watches, one to wear and one to take. And for some small travels, I will do that. But this time I thought I have such a long time to travel, and at the same time, I'm able to make maybe several videos there with the watches. So why not take these watches? By the way, I'm loving the Christopher Ward Belcanto loaned to me by Christopher Ward to test it out and review it. So I will send it back. But it's just a beautiful watch. Anyways, let me know in the comment section. And as always, the subscription button will be in the middle. And you'll find 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.